Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to clear pairing information on your speaker Philips. So firstly, you need to find Bluetooth control, what located at the right side of your speaker, and right here at the right side of the power button we have Bluetooth button. So, to clear pairing information, you need to press and hold this button for at least 10 seconds. So now let's press and hold it. Now we hear a prompt. It means that we did it. Then, if you want to reconnect your speaker with your phone, we need to go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list click the information icon or settings icon near to your speaker. Then forget this device and forget device. After that, if you have Android, click pair new device at the top, and if you have iOS, you can turn off and turn on your Bluetooth, or just go back and return to the Bluetooth. And now this speaker is into pairing mode, so we should see it at the device list. And right here we have it. Click on it. And we did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.